Beautiful large 2-bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. On the left is a coat closet. Beautiful kitchen. All stainless steel appliances. New cabinets. Comes with a microwave and a dishwasher and a dining area in the kitchen. Windows in the kitchen. Large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. Another closet here. It's one of the bedrooms here with a closet. You can fit a king size or queen size with a dresser. That's the larger bedroom. You can fit a king size or queen size bed. Second bedroom. Also comes with 2 closets. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Beautiful apartment, elevator building, laundry in the building. You have banks, restaurant, grocery shops. 2 blocks from the express train, the ENF train on Main Street and Queens Boulevard. An apartment's very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.